Hello all, I'm Shilpa Pimpalkar, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Engineering at AISMS Institute of Information Technology Pune. Today, we are going to discuss about MongoDB indexing. Indexes support the efficient execution of queries in MongoDB. Without indexes, MongoDB must perform a collection scan, that is, scan every document in a collection to select those documents that match the query statement. If an appropriate index exists for a query, MongoDB can use index to limit the number of documents it must inspect. Fundamentally, indexes in MongoDB are similar to indexes in other database systems. MongoDB defines indexes at the collection level and supports indexes on any field or subfield of the documents in MongoDB collection. Default index exists when you create a collection. By default, MongoDB creates a unique index on underscore ID field during creation of collection. The underscore ID index prevents a clients from inserting two documents with same value for underscore ID field. You cannot drop this index on underscore ID field. Let's discuss how to create a user-defined index. As we have discussed, underscore ID exists when you create index. By default, it is created. You can define you or create your own index on a single key. This is syntax for creating descending index on the name field in collection. -1 for descending, 1 for ascending. There are various types of indexes, out of which two we will discuss, that is single field and compound field index. In addition to MongoDB defined underscore ID index, MongoDB supports creation of user defined ascending descending indexes on a single field of a document, as we have seen here for name is a single field. MongoDB also supports user defined indexes on multiple fields, that is compound indexes. We'll see execution of index queries with MongoDB. Now we'll discuss about how to create index and how to display it. It is displaying by default underscore ID is a column on which index is created. What if you want to create index on this particular collection, you can specify that. On EID I want to create. So index is created and again you can execute get index. So it is displaying ID is existing, EID is created. Next, if you want to drop the index, you can do that. Drop index on this EID. So you can check with get indexes.